Chapter 4, Understanding Law, worksheet number 14. Everyone, please write down your name, class, section, roll number, and date. Yes, the first, everyone, MCQ, tick the correct option. The act was prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin in the USA. Yes, Baruni Gupta. It is Civil Right Act, Domestic
Civil Right Act.
Succession Amendment Act, and Sedition Act.
Civil Right Act.
Civil Right Act. Yes. So the answer is Civil Right Act. Fine. Now the next. Come to the next. The act which allowed the British government to imprison people without due trial. Options are Sedition Act 18 of 1870, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, Domestic Violence Act, and Rowlatt Act. Without due trial. Everyone, please find out answer. Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, Rowlatt Act.
Rowlatt Act. Yes, the answer is Rowlatt Act. Next, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 10th March 1919. Second option, 10th March 1919, 10th April 1919, 13th April 1919, and 10th April 1920. Yes, Aryan Singh. Aryan Singh. Imad.
Ma'am, 13 April 1919.
Yes, 13 April 1919. Next, the voice of people can be heard through radio, broadcast, and TV reports. Second option, newspaper editorials. Third option, local media. And fourth, all of these. Yes, everyone please participate. Anshika Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, radio broadcast and TV reports.
Anyone else? Raghav. Chaitanya.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these. Answer is all of these. Next, her refusal was a key event that marked the start of the civil rights movement, leading to Civil Rights Act 1964. Indira Gandhi. Sarojini Naidu. Rosa Parks. None of these. Yes, Araf Sehgal. Araf Sehgal. You also heard in your class 7 syllabus also this name. Harshit Deswal, Anshika, yes, Anshika,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sarojini Naidu.
it a civil right movement is anyone else? Yes, Arav Sehgal.
Ma'am, Rosa Parks.
Yes, the option is right. Which option right? Rosa Parks. Now, state whether the following statement are true or false. When a large number of people begin to raise voice against a wrong law, the parliament does not get ears to it, isn't it? Yes, Ananya Khera, true or false? It is false. Next, in a democratic country like India, people have no right to protest unjust law. Now today, the farmers protest against any law that is unjust or justify. I am not talking about that, but they are protesting. In a democratic country like India, the people have right to raise their voice, to put their opinion, to express their opinion. So in this way, this statement is wrong. Next, powerful people can enjoy the right to violate the laws. It's mean there is no rule of law. So this statement is yes, Pavitra.
Ma'am, false.
False. Next, Indian nationalists never dared to criticize the arbitrary use of authority by the British, isn't it? Yes, Yash Jain, Yash Jain, unmute yourself, beta. Wrong, yes. Next, hawker and vendor provide essential services. Yes, Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Hawker and
Hawkers and
vendor.
vendors provide essential service. Mm, False.
No, essential service for any class they are providing. Okay, so that is why the law which is introduced, which stopped, and then the hawker and vendors, the parliament change in that law.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, fill in the blanks using appropriate words. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and hence constitutionally valid and hence Answer is legal. Now, next, it is the extent, involvement, and enthusiasm of the people that dash perform its representative functions properly. Side by side, please, everyone, fill in the blanks. So, it is the extent, involvement, and enthusiasm of people that dash perform its representative functions properly. Please raise your hand and answer this question. Answer this, flips, everyone. Yes, Imad. Yes, Imad. Helps parliament in decision making. Okay. Helps parliament perform its representative functions properly. Next, according to Dash, sons, daughters, and their mother can get an equal share of family property. Yes, Pavitra.
Ma'am, in the Succession Amendment Act,
Yes. Hindu succession session amendment act okay Hindu succession amendment act. I hope everyone written on the worksheet. Everyone has written on worksheet. Now move on next page. Yes, everyone please move on next page. An important role of parliament is to be dash to the problems faced by people. Yes, Varuni. Yes, Varuni. You are not audible, Neha.
Ma'am, sensitive.
Sensitive. An important word parliament is to be sensitive. 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 Very good, Neha. Next column, match the column. Equal relationship. Sedition, repressive, criticize, violence free. Violence Act 2005. To find fault with or disprove of the person and citizen means criticize. So this is option number 2. Now next, protecting women against domestic violence developed from an urgently felt need to a new law that can be forced throughout the country. Violence Act came in Violence Act. Anything that the government might consider as stirring up resistance and rebellion against it. That is repressive. Law that brutally control person from accessing their fundamental rights. That is repressive fundamental rights. So option 4. uh, 5 is repressive. 5 is repressive. And the rebellion against is that is violence free relationship. Equal relationship means violence free. To find fault with the disapprove and the person criticize. Protecting women against domestic violence. 3 is Violence Act 2005. Anything that government might consider as stirring up the resistance or rebellion against it is a sedition, and law that brutally control person from exercising their fundamental right, that is repressive. Fine, everyone. I hope everyone complete their worksheet and the rest question you will going to complete it as a homework. Clear for you everyone?